G'day guys, Matty from F.S.A Sessions Australia. Today I'm going to fit up a tow bar to the rear of the BT50. Now it shouldn't take too long, but the instructions that came with it are absolutely hopeless. So we'll try and figure it out as we go, but let's get into it. This is everything that comes in the kit. All your nuts and bolts, I've just loaded it all out. A couple of D-shackles, a pin, your tongue, ball, little cover, so-called instructions, and the bar. So one thing I'm going to do is just go around and put a bit of Loctite on all the bolts. I like to do that on all my stuff that I bolt on my car due to the fact that going off-road in the rough roads at least gives it just that little bit extra to hold on. So we'll do that and then we'll get into trying to figure out how it goes. Using the jack definitely helps. All I've done is use one of the bigger bolts, M12 I'd say it would be, and it's got thread in the side of the chassis, and just put one in either side just to let it sit there. So we'll put a few more in because there's a couple more threaded. Okay, got all the main bolts in. Now we'll try and work out the others. So I just put the nut through, one with the washer, one with the wire I mean. Push it through. Nut. Bolt. Lock washer. So they're 19 mils. I'm going to do up the bottom first, so it'll draw it up to the chassis, and then we'll pull in the sides. Set these up. There you have it guys, it's all installed. It's all a matter of just putting in the M12 bolts, tightening it all up. I made sure obviously I had the blue Loctite on, just to make sure that the bolts didn't come undone, but I'll check it after my first tow. Now I just got to mount all the trailer plugs and everything down here and we're all done.